Stop! If you are not taking care of this one part of your body, then it's guaranteed you will have a bad immunity and there will be problems in your health. Curious to find out what is that? Watch this video completely till the end. Hi, I am Sachin Habar, Namaste, the creator of the Self Healers Hub, which is on a mission to help 100,000 working professionals live a healthier, happier and a more fulfilled life through the power of the ancient Indian science of Ayurveda. And today's topic is the Jatar Agni, or how to keep our Jatar Agni or the digestive fire at peak, and what are the causes which decrease the Agni. Let's watch this video until the end and let's see what the Ayurvedic rishis had to write about the digestive fire. See, according to Ayurvedic rishis like Charaka, Vagbhata, they categorized Agni as the most important part of your body. They say whoever Agni is strongest, they live healthy and their immunity is at peak. So if you want to accelerate your self-healing, you gotta make sure you have a great digestive fire. So let's see and let's open up this mind map where I'll be sharing with you what are the different types of Agni and what are the causes which destroy the Agni and what are the tips to improve the Agni. So these are the solutions for the indigestion or constipation or gas. So implement these steps in your daily lifestyle and see the miracles in your health. Let's find out. Let's open this mind map right here. Yes. So if you see, there are three types of Agni. What are the three types of Agni? Let's find out. The three types of Agni are the Visham Agni, the Mand Agni and the Tikshna Agni. Yes. What is Visham Agni? Visham Agni means a type of Agni or the digestive fire where you get very hungry or you not at all get hungry. There is a lot of variation in your hunger. Like once you eat and then after 2-3 hours you feel hungry again. Once you may eat at a particular time and then you don't feel hungry at all after 5 or 6 hours also. That means the Agni is varying. Then what is Tikshna Agni means? You eat and immediately after 2-3 hours you feel hungry. So that means your Agni is very strong and powerful and great. You will have great immunity and great health. And last is the dangerous, the Mand Agni. Mand Agni means the fire which has gone down. It will happen and then you will not feel hungry at all. The food that just digests but it gets spoiled in your stomach. And what is the Mand Agni creates is something called ama. Yes, ama is the poison which is created in your body due to the bad Agni or the digestive fire. So please understand, Agni is responsible for your energy, your vitality, your immunity, all the three key factors of your life. The immunity, the vitality and the energy to live life. All these three depend on the Agni, and if your Agni is gone, no treatment will help you, and it is very dangerous if you lose the digestive fire. So you got to protect this digestive fire, is it not? You got to protect it. So make sure you are not having the Mand Agni. And what are the causes for the Mand Agni? What are the causes for it? Let's find out here. So the causes is when you eat hot and cold food together. Maybe you took tea and then you take ice cream, or maybe you took a lot of hot biryani and then you immediately took ice cream. When you have food which are completely opposite in nature, like hot and cold complete, then your digestive fire is destroyed and it's harmed. Yes. And regular consumption of processed foods or junk food harms your digestive fire. Yes. And third digestive fire problem is when you eat what is called in Ayurveda the Virdaharam, like when you eat milk with banana or when you eat milk with salty food. Yes. when you eat cucumber with tomato. All this, there are lot of bad food combinations. I have made a video on it. You can check it out on my YouTube channel. I have made a video on the bad food combinations which you should avoid to reduce your mandagni or not reduce your agni. Please make sure you go and watch that video so that you know what are the bad food combinations you should avoid. And the sedentary lifestyle, of course, if there is no exercise, then also the agni goes down. So when the mandagni goes down or the agni goes down, your system automatically produces more and more ama, and the ama is the root cause of any disease you have in your body or in your life. As of now, whatever disease you have, it will be due to the ama or the toxins in the system according to the ayurveda, and this is happening due to the mandagni. Okay, so now let's find out what are the tips, techniques to improve this agni. Yes, let's find out. Type, bring it on in the comment box, and I'm revealing it to you right now. Yeah, so what are the tips? So here are some tips for you. Hope you're able to see that. Yeah, first and foremost, take a little bit of ginger, take a little bit of rock salt before you eat, and eat it before 30 minutes of your food. Take little bit of ginger, small piece, take little bit of salt, mix it and eat it. Or you can have ginger powder and salt also before 30 minutes of the meal, and this stimulates the digestive fire. Yes. And next, how do you improve the agni? You can have buttermilk or chas, what they call, after the food you take, because it stimulates the agni, because it has pepper, it has the coriander, and it's really helpful. So that's the why in our culture we had the buttermilk or other liquids to improve the agni. So that is one more technique, like the buttermilk, to improve your agni. Next, take little bit of warm liquids in your diet or in your life. Start taking warm liquids like hot water. Hot water, daily sip it. Sip the hot water. Maybe in the morning after you get up, after you freshen up, take 1 glass of warm water, and it improves the agni, because agni is hot, and if you put some hot things, hot nature, and it improves your agni. Next, very important rule, eat only when you're hungry. It's like this: if you're eating a particular lunch or dinner, and you go outside, and then there you see the beautiful outside food, vada pav is there, there is a lot of paneer is there, then you go and grab that and eat that. Noodles, that's what causes the mandagni, because you're not hungry, and then it's still processing the old food which you eaten, and you again put more food into it. What happens? It will again spoil your system, and again it will cause the mandagni in your system. Yes, and that's dangerous for you, is it not? Please understand that. Then in Ayurveda they say, whenever you are hungry, please make sure you follow this 3/4 1/4 rule. Means only satisfy 3/4 of your hunger. Satisfy only 3/4 of your hunger, and 1/4 leave it empty. Don't let the tongue dictate how much you have to eat, but always satisfy only 75% of your hunger, because the 25% of the stomach portion is for processing of the food, maybe gas release, or maybe for the processing. So this technique, 3/4 and 1/4 rule, will help you reduce most of acidity, gas problems. You can try this. For example, if you're eating 4 chapatis, try 3 chapatis only and leave. Don't fill your stomach completely up to the brim. This is very important rule according to Ayurveda to improve the agni, which is the life force. And lastly, always have food sitting cross-legged on the floor, and always paying a gratitude to your food. Yes. And also, one more thing you can use is hing or asafoetida, which is very important and very nice for your digestive system. So you can try this: a little bit of hot water, a little bit of asafoetida, and a little bit of ghee. Just take a little bit of water, boil it, and then take little asafoetida and put it in the water, let it boil, then put little bit of little bit of ghee, just a half spoon, and then stir it and drink it. It also improves the Agni by reducing the gas in the system. I hope you love this tips and techniques. I want you to start implementing all this and start making sure you protect this amazing Agni, which is the life force of your life. Vitality, your digestion, your immunity all depends on this Agni, and make sure you protect it by using the tips which are there in the ancient science of Ayurveda, which is there in this video as well. Take it, implement it, and start living a healthier, happier, and a more fulfilled life, and start improving your gut health. Did you love the content in this video? Then I'm sure you love my webinar where I'm sharing the 3 secrets to accelerate your inner healing power. And I would like you to register for the webinar by clicking on the link in the description below. I'm looking forward to meet you live. Loving you all so much. Improve your digestion, improve your immunity, accelerate your self-healing. Implement the steps given here for improving your Agni. Thank you. Loving you all so much.